Bracing for a fourth wave. That's the worrying reality healthcare facilities face just 4 months after being strained by a spike in COVID-19 patients in the summer. But as they brace, they're also pleading with residents to obey the rules to prevent hospitalizations and deaths. During the COVID spike in August and September, 8 hospitals, including the Port Maria Hospital in St. Mary, were listed as being in the red zone. This as some had passed their full bed capacity due to COVID patients. With the threat of a fourth wave driven by the Omicron variant, these hospitals are again bracing for the worst.
We learned from the last surge with the issue of oxygen, and we have made and put in place already plans to deal with additional supplies of oxygen.
Senior Medical Officer at the Port Maria Hospital, Dr. Sidney Powell, explained to TVJ News that every effort is being made to secure the necessary equipment and supplies as patient load is expected to increase after the holiday season. As a Type C facility, Port Maria Hospital is a holding area for positive COVID-19 patients until a tertiary healthcare facility is available to accept them. That increases the likelihood of overcrowding.
Looking back at our maximum surge, counting the numbers, how much oxygen we would utilize, and therefore backtracking with that, with the daily PPE usage rate, and therefore coming up now with a figure for a surge.
The new Omicron variant, coupled with relaxed curfew hours for the festive season, make a deadly fourth wave seem imminent. But while hospitals may be preparing, Dr. Powell says preventing the spread of COVID-19 is the real solution. It's why the healthcare workers are again pleading with residents to obey the COVID prevention measures.
Do not exceed the prescribed hours, please. That's one. We would have seen, even before the extended hours, gunshot wounds, motor vehicle accidents coming way outside past the curfew hours. Avoid crowded areas if you can. Observe the physical distancing guidelines. Wear your masks and walk with a bottle of hand sanitizer. I'm looking for mine right here.
Additionally, he's repeating the call for persons who have not been vaccinated to do so, as the jab lowers the probability of being hospitalized if one is exposed to the virus.